Alright everyone, for some context, Otis made a post saying that they were going to modernize 2 elevators in the Terminal West expansion project and also install 15 Otis Gen3s, which I am kind of excited for. But these are the 2 oldest elevators in the terminal. And just in case Otis happens to mod these, which they could based on what they said, let's just get one last bit, possibly find my final ride on these. Both elevators came. These are old Otises with Lexan fixtures. Don't see that every day. There's the Northerns. There's mezzanine. We also have this ADA compliant panel. There's another panel over here. These are amazing. Let's head down to the ground and let's push one of these black buttons. I love the way those press. Both went out. Let's switch cars on 3. Permit. 4,000 pound capacity. Stopping on 2. Going up. Thank you. Have a nice day. This car I know is working because it opened up earlier. That elevator right there is broken, and these 2 were installed in the early 2000s. So the fact that both of these elevators from, I think the 60s or 70s, are both working perfectly is pretty cool. And Otis. The ground. This one still has the original light. This one actually doesn't have a panel on that side, which is interesting. Oh. £4,000 capacity. A cab view. Pretty much just basic stainless steel cab, but these are really cool. And why don't we end on ground? Oh, going down?
Down?
Yeah.
Yes.
What flag?
1, I guess. I don't know. Whatever one's below us.
2.
Thank you.
Have a good day. very cool. It's a pretty long video, but it's worth it. You know what? I can't get enough of these. Get a wide angle video. Plus there's your directory. Let's end on the 3rd floor, why not? See a little through the doors. I absolutely love these elevators. It's too bad they might go eventually. But that's not for certain, so let's hope these stay around for a long time.